Bidcorp is a global food services group. It has a market cap of 101 billion rand. No dividend and no price to earnings
Well,
ratio.
to be fair, so exactly this. Right on this Monday, we had the split of the old Bidvest into these two pieces. About 2/3 of the value went in the direction of Bidcorp, which is where Brian Joffe is the executive chairman, and where the business is a global food services operator. That's got a market cap of 100 billion rand, and we'll have to wait and see. I guess the price to earnings ratio and the earnings and the dividends remain to be established as we go ahead.
Your thoughts on what we've seen unfold this week?
Well, it's been an excellent success story. I think what you saw was really the sort of crown in the jewel of Bidvest has become that food services business. It's very exciting, very dynamic. It's 95% foreign earnings. It's fairly well diversified geographically, globally. The food services sector as a sector is coming of age, is growing. Bidvest or Bidcorp now has been very active in terms of consolidating that sector, further opportunities for consolidation. It now has its own rating. It has the potential to raise further capital, and it's attract a substantial rating. We've got it on a forward P of around 24 to give you an idea. But it looks like the earnings for the next 2 years are going to be very strong as a result of margin improvement and secular growth in the food services area.
So this is the one to back.
Definitely, I like it a lot. Food services, of course, is linked to what I was saying earlier. It's people that are running restaurants, convenience stores, all that sort of thing, and basically you can have everything pre-prepared. It's big in Australia, where Bernard Burson, the CEO, is actually based, and it's big in Europe, and it's big in Asia, and it's got a little business here in South Africa. So it's exactly that kind of international player. What does the share chart look like? I'm wondering, this says Bidcorp 1 week. Okay, that's well played. So it's basically a 1 week chart. It doesn't look like the usual 5-year thing that we're used to. I was about to get excited.
Is that right in terms of the numbers?
Yeah, so it's trading currently at around 300 rands a share, and it was not really expected to come out as hot as that. But as Rowan has indicated, people immediately marked it on a 24 PE, let's go.
And it's got the Brian Joffe factor still very much involved.
Yes, yeah, he's moved with that side of the business, and I saw a press comment that this is his final sort of present to Bidvest is the fact that he's created this Bidcorp, and the post combined valuation of the shares, the Bidvest and Bidcorp shares, was about 14% higher than the pre-unbundling price. Gives you an idea of the value creation.
Yeah. Just one quick question.
Yep. No.
Listed in Johannesburg, global player, very small business here, going to raise capital to do further acquisitions globally. What about an international listing and or possible buyout interest by other food services global companies of it in due course?
So I think certainly that's partly why it's attracting the rating. Both those opportunities, they have intimated, and a number of analysts have said, a potential offshore listing probably on the London market. They looked at it before they did the unbundling, and then obviously as a standalone player, fairly ungeared, good growth prospects, it's certainly a potential target. But I think they would like to row their own boat, this management team though.
Well, that's it. Hot or not?
Yeah, certainly hot.
It's hot.
Even
blazing. I'm even going to put
even on the current number, even on the current sort of forward number. I know some people think, well, it'd be less if it was lower, but I think it's great at this price.
Hot.